On March 20th, 2025, GA4 launched Annotations, which has now been fully rolled out to all GA4 users. This feature allows users to add notes directly to the line graphs within the Overview and Detailed Report section, providing context such as website updates, marketing campaigns, or any other external information. So I'm currently in the GA4 or Google Analytics 4. As you know, this was previously known as Universal Analytics. Right, so I'm in the report section, and as you can see, I have for this period, last 28 days, I have 199 active users, 112 new users, and 12 seconds average engagement time per user. These are the standard metrics, but otherwise you can also click here and see more metrics like revenue and so on and so forth. But then annotation has been a highly requested feature because till now everyone was using external tools, and if you hover over here to view annotations, you will see that this feature has been added here, and if I click, you will see that there is no annotation right now, but if you have previously created any annotations, you will see all of them listed here. I'm going to create a new annotation, and I'm going to write the title that I launched, let's say email campaign. You can write a description, launched email campaign for, let's say, summer season. You can also put in a date range, the start date and end date here. So let's say 30th, 31st, and then click on apply. You can also color code this. So I'm going to color code it as green. Click on annotations, and then immediately you will see this icon which is here. So that way you will know what you did on this date. Right? Just a quick tip for the annotations: try to be consistent with the way you name and color code your annotations, especially if you're working with a team. Use a uniform format so everyone understands what the annotation is. And now that GA4 has annotations, you don't need to rely on spreadsheets, calendars, or any other third-party tools. Annotations is a small but important and highly requested update to GA4, so it's great to see that it's been added now. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.